Me and my lovely friends are going camping today. My car is completely filled to the brim full of stuff from my old house that I just moved out yesterday. So it's gonna be an interesting car ride, but I'm so excited for camping. We're going to a spot that I haven't been to before, but they all have, so I'm really excited. Don't mind my appearance, but me and Jenna are in the car. We're going camping.
We going camping.
Camping trip made it out of the group chat. We're mobbing through Spokane because we're late. We were supposed to have left hours ago, but here we go. Okay, Evelyn, tell us how you're feeling about the camping trip.
Really good. I'm about to go into a gas station bathroom and I'm really excited.
Woo!
Welcome back. This weekend we're camping on the North Fork River.
Woo!
Oh my god, cute.
We made it to the camp spot.
Fucking white next to you. I mean, obviously.
Yeah.
Woman in the wild. Okay, Alyssa, what do you gotta say? It's a vlog camera. Look, and then you like.
What is that?
It's like a 2000.
Jesus
camera.
Christ!
2004?
I gotta come for better lighting for my skin tone.
What does a normal camera look like?
Not like that. Well, I mean, like a newer camera does not look like that.
That's literally a new camera.
It looks old.
While you guys buy it, it's just my face. I'm just like 2 inches
Over
from.
whether or not the camera looks new or not.
Well, it was like $700.
Feeling myself, camping sleigh.
I'm just saying, like the exterior is common with like older cameras.
I guess that's fair.
This better
No,
go viral. I was born to be a star.
It better.
Influencers in the wild.
Yeah, literally.
Wow.
Oh, I just don't want to like fuck anything up.
Okay, can you grab the stick and put it in there? The stick? No, you gotta put that. See this little part?
This?
Yeah. How many bitches it take to build a tent? How your guys' tent going? Oh, nice!
I'm gonna go to bed now. Let me just get in here. Okay. Wait, did it go through the wrong one? I don't feel like undoing it though. Wait, let me just put this here. Okay.
Whoa!
First time I put this on, that was like,
I love this! Everyone's doing so good. Who needs men in this world?
This Barbie world,
men
bro.
when you have
Pink task.
Y'all are strong, independent women. You can do it.
I literally can't.
I'm not very independent, and I'll admit that.
That looks fine.
That is not.
It's good enough,
I
right?
can tell you. Are you guys missing a pole?
One
It's
more.
standing.
That was
So
like-
far.
That looks comfy.
Supposed to be right here. Wait. Fuck.
This is me and Jenna's setup for the next 2 nights. We built this by ourselves. We are strong, independent women.
Jenna.
We're walking down to go swim. Are we going to a river?
Yep.
We're swimming in a river. And I think it's gonna be cold. But it'll be nice because it's hot. Actually, I'm not allowed to say that. Yeah. I think no. Jenna, let's see it. Do a dive. Is it? Oh, it's not too bad. Okay, Riley, what are we eating?
We got a turkey.
Oh, we can't see it.
Turkey provolone mustard filled sourdough bread sandwich with my Stanley cup.
Yummy! Ella's eating her potatoes. That's her dinner. Yummy! And Ayla's sleeping so peacefully in the car. And everybody else is just chilling. Super fun.
Sometimes I like think about like I need to start making TikToks because I feel like I have like some funny stories. But like if I put my phone in front of myself, then I just like.
This is Jacob. This is Jacob's car. And this is Jacob's stove.
I've had like this brand.
This veggie burger kind of turned out fire. Zane's over here.
Hello.
Got all of my love, so no, honey, I'm good. I got another, but I probably should not. I got when you would do to another.
What are we doing, guys?
Welcome back to the vlog. Mike's is in it, Megan's is in it. We're riding the bus. Drinking a margarita. Eating some cheese and crackers.
Yummy! What's going on?
Ryan's really.
Yum! Everyone's eating chips. Yum! What's going on?
I will. We're eating multigrain crackers and unexpected cheddar. Look at that from Trader Joe's. Which is the best cheese bread you have ever tried.
Okay, the vlog
vlog's gonna try it. Hey, what's up, you guys? We're vlogging. We're out here dancing. Tell the vlog how you slept last night.
Slept pretty good. My back's kind of aching.
Yeah.
Sleeping mat sort of deflated.
Fair enough.
Got a bit of a headache, but
Doing well otherwise?
yeah,
Okay.
the water will cure it. So
Good, good. Tell the vlog how you slept last night.
I slept excellently.
I'm glad. The vlog how you slept last night.
Swimmingly.
Okay,
Swimmingly. I slept okay.
alright. Tell the vlog how you slept last night.
Well, I moved onto the other side of the mat because Evie and I were facing down this way, so I moved this way, and I was so paranoid I was gonna like kick her face in the middle of the night. So my conscience was eating at me.
Okay. Okay, Chelsea, how about you?
Honestly, pretty good until I woke up cold because I kicked all my covers off. And my toes were sticking out. Pretty chilled. But now my
Okay.
head hurts, so.
What? How are we feeling this morning?
Great.
Great. Okay. How about you two? What?